Did you know Regine Velasquez almost didn't win the contest that changed her life? As a young girl in the Philippines, she trained her voice intensely, sometimes even singing underwater to build strong breath control. Then came her big moment. In 1989, she joined the Asia Pacific Singing Contest, competing against top singers from across Asia. The competition was intense. Then she stepped onto the stage and gave an unforgettable performance. The audience was amazed, and she won the competition. That moment changed everything. Her career spread across Asia. She became known for her powerful voice and incredible vocal range. Fans called her Asia's Songbird. From a small-town girl to a music icon, her voice became unforgettable.